Welcome to Kiddo's Kingdom channel.
Hello little friends. Today we will learn opposite. Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yes. Yes. Nope. Nope. Yes. Nope. Big. Big. Small. Small. Big. Small. Fast. Fast. Slow. Slow. Fast. Slow. Happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Happy. Sad. Hot. Hot. Cold. Cold. Hot. Cold. Light. Light. Dark. Dark. Light. Dark. Up. Up. Down. Down. Up. Down. Good. Good. Bad. Bad. Good. Bad. Strong. Strong. Weak. Weak. Strong. Weak. Rich. Rich. Pork. Pork. Rich. Pork. Clean. Clean. Dirty. Dirty. Clean. Dirty. Quiet. Quiet. Loud. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Full. Full. Empty. Empty. Full. Empty. Heavy. Heavy. Light. Light. Heavy. Light. Open. Open. Close. Close. Open. Close. Free. Free. Trade. Trade. Free. Trade. I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time.